All right, guys, 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. What we got done on it for you guys? Got factory converters up there somewhere. One there, one there. Then we took the mid muffler out and put two big boys exhaust there and there. We'll get you the part number. We don't have it right now. It's big boys exhaust right there, 2.5. There's no part numbers on these boxes. There they are, right there. One there, 2.5. And then we did a rear delete there and there. And he brought his own big boys 5-inch tips right there and right there. And we installed them also. So there they are. There's the mid muffler that was on it. And there's the rears that were on it right there, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Jeep Grand Cherokee with big boys exhaust. Mids, rear delete, and 5-inch. What do you guys think of the big boys? Sounds pretty good. Here's sound decibels. Again. Rev limiter. So it's right at 100. Probably about like 105, 110. Much better. Sounds good. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. Jeep Grand Cherokee with big boys mids, rear delete, 5-inch big boys tips. Big boy toys. It sounds so deep. I like that sound.